Welcome to this lesson on vertical asymptotes. In calculus, dealing with division by zero leads us to some fascinating concepts about infinity. Today, we will explore exactly what happens when the denominator of a fraction equals zero. A vertical asymptote is a vertical line on a graph that the function approaches but never quite reaches. Think of it as an invisible barrier. As the x values get closer and closer to this line, the y values explode towards positive or negative infinity. To understand where these come from, we look at rational functions. These are functions expressed as a fraction, with a polynomial on the top, called the numerator, and one on the bottom, called the denominator. The trouble and the interesting behavior starts when that bottom part equals zero. Finding them is a straightforward process. First, you set the denominator equal to 0. Second, you solve that equation for x, and third, very importantly, you must verify that these x values do not also make the numerator 0. If only the denominator is 0, you have found a vertical asymptote. Let us look at the function when divided by x minus 3. We know we cannot divide by 0, so x cannot be 3. But what happens if x is 3.1 or 3.01? As we get closer to 3 from the right side, the result gets larger and larger. 10, then 100, then 1,000. It is heading towards positive infinity. We write this using limit notation. If we approach a value from the right side, indicated by a small plus sign, and the graph shoots up, the limit is positive infinity. If we approach from the left, indicated by a minus sign, and it shoots down, the limit is negative infinity. This notation describes the behavior near the asymptote. Be careful, though. Not every zero in the denominator is an asymptote. If the numerator is also 0 at that same point, it might just be a hole in the graph, known as a removable discontinuity. An asymptote only occurs when the denominator is 0 and the numerator is a non-zero number. To recap, vertical asymptotes are vertical lines where the function grows without bound. They occur at x values that make the denominator 0, provided the numerator is not 0. Remember, the graph will get infinitely close to this line, but it will never touch or cross it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.